How to get $20 Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you can see the search box. Type in Wayfair coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll and check out the offers: 50% off, $25 off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on the offer. So here is the code for it, copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Wayfair. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. To use any of this offer, the process is exact same. Likewise, you can hit back. You can also check out other website. This one, Groupon. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get $20 working coupon code for Wayfair. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.